Today I've got a video tutorial on how to do makeup. To begin with, I use micellar water to clean my face, then I wash it and gently pat it dry with tissue. Skin, do follow up with sunscreen to protect against and sun harmful UV rays. Next, apply skin tint in order to hide acne scar and minimize pores. Start by shaking the product and then apply it evenly to the face. Next, we apply blush on the cheeks to give them a pink hum. Keep using loose powder to maintain sweat resistance, everyone. We pin up the eyes to ensure they are completely filled. Keep applying eyeshadow to enhance the brightness of the eyes. Keep using mascara. Remember to keep using lip balm regularly to prevent dryness and keep your lips looking healthy and moisturized. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.